The man accused of killing Madison Mogan, Kaylee Gonsalves, Xana Kernodle, and Ethan Chapin last fall does not want cameras allowed at his upcoming trial. New court documents show Bryan Kohbeger and his legal team believe cameras would serve as a distraction and could derail his chance of getting a fair trial.
And KXLY is part of a group of journalism organizations asking for cameras to be allowed in the courtroom and also for the gag order preventing people involved in the case to talk about it publicly be lifted. Our Bryan Kohbeger joins us in studio with what we can expect to hear in tomorrow's hearings.
Well, new court documents show Kohbeger and his legal team do not want cameras in the courtroom for several reasons, citing social media posts that come from each court appearance and other high-profile Idaho trials where cameras were not allowed. On Friday, 2 hearings will take place related to the gag order in the Moscow murder case, and one will take place about cameras. Newly released court documents show that Bryan Kohbeger, the man accused of killing these 4 college students, does not want cameras in the courtroom. In these documents, his legal team writes that after each of Kohberger's court appearances, numerous social media posts are made, including YouTube videos and TikToks, analyzing his demeanor by observing his body language in court. In these videos, he's been described using phrases like, "he keeps getting creepier," and "cold iciness." One example Kohberger's legal team uses to show cameras would impede on his right to a fair trial is the Lori Vallow Daybell trial, where cameras were not allowed by the judge in that case. His legal team also says a New York Post article relied on audio and video recordings to analyze Kohberger's body language, saying this is yet another example of Kohberger being scrutinized after being on video, affecting his right to a fair trial. Kohberger's legal team argues having cameras in the courtroom can pressure people to act differently, affecting witnesses, the defendant, jurors, and even the judge. But the media coalition challenging the gag order, which includes 4 News Now, argues that it causes irreparable harm to the public's right to know about this murder case. Now, the first gag order hearing will take place tomorrow morning, and a trial date is set for October 2nd, expected to last 4 to 6 weeks. 4 News Now will be in Moscow tomorrow for these court proceedings. Live in studio, Bryan Kohbeger, 4 News Now.